Most shippers think rail rates are fixed. They're not. Your location, your commodity, and your negotiating position determine what you pay. Today, we're showing you how reciprocal switching, a rule that gives you access to competing railroads, becomes your leverage to cut costs and improve service. If you ship by rail, this changes everything. Here's the reality. 6 Class 1 railroads dominate North American freight: BNSF, Union Pacific, CSX, Norfolk Southern, Canadian National, and CPKC. Most shippers have direct access to only one or two of them. That's the problem. Without competition at your loading dock, carriers know you have limited options. Reciprocal switching fixes that. Reciprocal switching is an STB rule. That's the Surface Transportation Board, the federal agency that regulates rail. The rule says if a railroad refuses to connect you to a competitor, you can request that competitor come in and serve you using the incumbent carrier's track. You get choice. The carrier loses monopoly power. Here's how it works in practice. Let's say Union Pacific is your only rail option, but BNSF has track nearby. Under reciprocal switching, you can petition the STB for BNSF to access your siding using UP's infrastructure. BNSF pays UP an access fee, but you now have a rate alternative. UP knows this, so they improve their offer. The economics are powerful. Carriers price aggressively when they face competition. Studies show shippers save 10 to 25% on rates when they have switching access. On a $5,000 shipment, that's $500 to $1,250 in your pocket. On annual volume, the impact compounds fast. But reciprocal switching isn't automatic. You have to request it, and the process takes time, typically 60 to 90 days for an STB petition. The incumbent carrier will fight it. But if you're serious about rate leverage, it's worth the effort. Steel Wheel Logistics helps shippers evaluate switching eligibility and navigate the petition process. Not every facility qualifies. You need sufficient volume, usually 100+ carloads annually. The competitor railroad must have track within reasonable distance, and your commodity must be profitable for the challenger to serve. Steel Wheel can audit your situation and tell you if switching is realistic for your operation. Reciprocal switching is leverage. It's proof that you have options. Even if you never switch, the threat alone moves rates. Carriers know it, and they adjust. If you're paying premium rates for rail because you feel locked in, it's time to explore your switching rights. Visit steelwheellogistics.com to talk with our team about your facility and your switching potential.